Children, as you all know, this is the important component of geography, that is topographic sheet, and we have to study this because uh, it is a very important part of half yearly exams of ours. So that is topographic sheet. We will study different things. First, we will take contour lines. Contour lines are the lines which join the points of equal height or elevation. Like you can see here, why these lines are there? Why these lines are there? Because these lines are joining the places which are at equal heights. Like you can see these lines, okay, and they are joining the places of equal height, okay, and height is written in between, like 100 meters, 150 meters, means it is going upwards. And now this is 200 meters height. These lines are indicating, and this line is indicating the locating the places which are at equal height, that is all these places are having 50 meters height. Okay, so they are used to interpret the landforms, their slopes, and the relief features. Elevation. Let me clear you this thing, that elevation is the height of any place and they are always measured above the sea level. Okay, so whatever you are looking here, different heights are there, they are above the sea level. Okay, the number on the contour lines, as I have told you, these are the different heights. These are the different heights, like 50 meter, then 100 meters, 150 meters, 200 meters. Okay, these are the different heights above the sea level. Slope of a landform or an area indicate how steep the land is. Now here you can see lots of gap is there. Okay, so that is a gradual slope. Lots of gap is there, gradual slope. But here you can see very little gap, very little difference is there. It means this is steep slope. Okay, steep slope, and this is gradual slope. Okay, you can see this thing difference. This is a steep slope. Children, there are two types of contour. First you can see index contour, and second is intermediate contours. Children, here you can see some bold lines are there in between, bold lines. Okay, these bold lines are showing index contour, and between two index contour, you can see between two index contour there are many lines, and they are not so bold, light, so they are called intermediate contours. Okay, bold color, it is elevation is written on bold, often occur at the interval. Okay, contour lines. Intermediate contour lines are the lines which lie between two index contour lines. They are intermediate contours are traced in light color. They do not have elevation written on it. You can see index contour has numbers, means height is given, but in intermediate contour they are light in color, and you will not find anywhere the height is written in intermediate contours.